Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Aarti Goswami and today I am talking about one of the best and one of my favorite books, Malela Jeev, The United Souls. The United Souls is basically a Gujarati language romance novel written by Pannalal Patel. Alongside Manvini Bhawai, it is one of the Patel's two most widely acclaimed novels. It is a romantic tragedy of Kanji and Jivi, born in a different caste. It follows the trouble they face in their love story. Gujarati writer and editor Jhavir Chand Meghani has asked Pannalal Patel to write a story for Full Chap, a Gujarati daily. Patel then wrote a Malela Jeev in 24 days and it was serialized in a daily Punch Full Chap. It was later published as a book in 1941. So let's talk about the characters in the book. So Kanji, a gentleman boy born in a Patel family, is a hero of our novel. Jivi, a beautiful woman born in a barber family, is our heroine. So and hero is Kanji's friend Dhulo, a barber who lives in a Kanji's village. So the novel plot is basically Kanji and Jivi live in a Jogipara and Udhariya villages near Eider and they belong to different castes. They met each other at the Janmashtami fair and fell in love. They were unable to marry due to coming from a different caste. Kanji also has the social responsibility of his elder brother's family. But he finds it difficult to live without Jivi. His friend Hero suggested having Jivi marry Dhula, the barber in his own village. After a great psychological struggle, Kanji agrees with Hira and get Jivi married to Dhula. But his plan does not bring the expected results. Dhula's suspicious nature, his tyranny, and his poor treatment of Jivi causes Kanji's plan to be unsuccessful. Kanji's God fearing nature and his indecisive mental state also play a role in his failure. Kanji moves from the village to city to keep himself away from Jivi. Jivi, meanwhile, is tired of daily quarrels and beating and tries to commit a suicide. But by mistake, her tyrannical husband Dhulo lost his life and she falls into emotional imbalance, yearning for her beloved Kanji. In the end, Kanji's worldly love transformed into a spiritual love, and so he comes from the city to be with Jivi. This novel has been translated into several Indian languages such as Hindi, Punjabi, Kannada, and as Kalasing Jivinthalu in Telugu by Vemuri Ajansia Sharma. The novel was translated by Rajesh I. Patel into English as Kanji and Jivi, a tragic love story in 2040, Sahitya Academy, New Delhi. It was translated into Hindi as Jivi in 1958 by Padma Singh Sharma. The novel has also been adapted into several films and plays. Uljan, directed by N.R. Acharya, was the first Gujarati film adaptation of the novel. Malela Jeev 1956 is a Gujarati film directed by Manohar Rashpur. It was scripted by the novelist himself. Jamuna Da Jodi, the 1996 blockbuster Kannada film, is based on a Malela Jeev. It was also adapted into a play directed by Nimesh Desai in Gujarati. And if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am Aarti Goswami. And let me know what you feel about this book in comment below. And if you like this video, share and share as much as you can. Thank you.